Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to check the HGLRC Petrel 120X 6S Toothpick style 3-inch micro quadcopter. In this video I'm going to quickly go over its features and specs, show you the different setup options, give you my feedback after testing it out, and wrap up this video with some flight footage. First of all, the HGLRC Petrel 120X is available in a couple of versions which differ in their motors, all-in-one flight controller, and the thickness of the bottom unibody plate. The 4S/6S version, which is the one I have, is bundled with the Zeus 13 all-in-one flight controller and 1303.5 2500 or 4500 kV motors. The 3S version features the Zeus 13 all-in-one flight controller as well and 1202.5 5600 kV motors. The 1/2S version, which is the lightest option out of the three, features the Zeus 5 all-in-one flight controller, which I've recently reviewed. The thickness of the bottom unibody plate is 2mm as opposed to 3mm on the other two versions, and it features 1202.5 11600 or 8000 kV motors. In addition, in case you're looking for a more powerful setup, you can get the Pro version, which features the Zeus 25 all-in-one flight controller and bigger and more powerful 1404 4800 kV motors, which can handle up to 4S batteries. All the versions are available with multiple radio receiver options, and they feature the CADDX ANT nano-sized FPV camera, which is nicely protected inside this molded plastic canopy, the Zeus Nano VTX, and the Hammer Mini RHCP omnidirectional antenna. As for the frame, its wheelbase is 120mm and it features a true X pattern. The thickness of the bottom unibody plate is 3mm, and as I mentioned before, on the 1S/2S version, the thickness is 2mm. The frame provides some protection to the motors, and between the front two motors and the back ones, you can find supporting arms. On the bottom plate, you can find 16x16, 20x20, and whoop style 25.5 by 25.5mm mounting holes. The weight of the 6S version without a battery is 77.4 grams, and including a 6S 450mAh LiPo battery, which is the one that I recommend to use, the total weight is 163.7 grams. In addition, I also tested the Petrel 120X using two 300mAh 3S LHV batteries, which I connected in series using this adapter which I made, and the total weight including them is 137.5 grams. The next thing that I've done is to head outdoors and test the Petrel 120X, and overall, after testing it out, I can tell you that I really like it as it is well tuned out of the box. It features a robust canopy, durable frame, and also a durable antenna, which is not going to be disconnected easily in case of a crash. It is pretty efficient, and you can expect between 5 to 8 minutes of flight time using the 450mAh 6S battery. And in case you don't have many 6S batteries in hand, which is probably the main reason you're not going to go for the 6S version and you're going to go for the 4S version in case you would like to purchase this drone, you can still use two 3S LiPo batteries in series and can expect between 3 to 5 minutes of flight time. In addition, I also tested the 6S version with the 4S battery, and I don't recommend to do so as your flight experience is going to be damaged. So in my opinion, this is a very nice toothpick style 3-inch quadcopter which you can also take with you to the race course, and the only downside that I found is that when pushing the throttle I could see some interference on the video feed. So in case you would like to do a small upgrade, you can add an LC filter between the VTX and the FPV camera. I'm going to wrap up this video with some flight footage, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.